Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take your learner's permit test online in New York. Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take your learner's permit test online in NY. So first, you may want to head over to dmv.ny.gov. Then next is click on licenses, permits, and IDs. Then select learner permits. So from this page, if you scroll down, you should be able to see steps and guidelines on how to get your first passenger or Class D permit and license. So of course, first you may need to prepare for and take your permit test. So just click on this link. And from this page, you can see available materials and resources to take the permit test practice quizzes. You can just click on this button. And of course, you're going to need to gather required documents such as proof of age, identification, residence, and you have an option here to get pre-screened to see if you have or you have completed all the required documents that you're going to need to bring. Then next, you're going to need to bring your documents to a DMV office. You can click on this button to find your local DMV office. And these are the items listed that you should bring to your local DMV office. And from here, you can start by completing pre-licensing requirements. Then once everything is done, you can now schedule and take a road test. So from this page, you can start scheduling your road test, but a reminder that you're going to need your New York State DMV ID number, pre-licensing course certificate or driver education certificate, and 5-digit zip code. And from here, just scroll down and you're just going to need to log in with your New York State DMV ID and date of birth. Then once everything is done, just proceed by clicking on the login button. And once you're logged into your account, you can now start scheduling for your DMV road test. So before you go to your road test schedule, make sure that you bring these items with you or these requirements with you. Then, once you're done taking the road test, you may now be able to get your results. All you have to do is click on this link, and your results should be posted to the website after 6 p.m. on the day of your test. And here's what happens if you pass. An interim license that allows you to drive will be available to you online. You must keep this license with your photo learner permit, and you should be able to receive your photo driver license in the mail in about 2 weeks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!